Ever wonder why other KDP books in your niche are selling like crazy, while yours just sits there? They're not lucky. They've nailed the keyword, the categories, the pricing, and now you can see exactly how they did it using Publisher Rocket. Here's how. Inside Publisher Rocket, go to Competition Analyzer. Type in your book's main keyword. Look at this, a full list of the top selling books in that niche. Click on any one, instantly see its title, subtitle, categories, price, page count, even keyword data. I use this to reverse engineer everything, why their subtitle works, what price point is converting, what category they're ranking in, and how to switch mine into it. It's like having an x-ray of what Amazon is actually rewarding. If you want to fix your listing and model what's already working, try Publisher Rocket using the link in the description. It's a one-time investment that pays for itself fast, especially if you're serious about selling more books.